sunset, looking out a window at a whirling silhouette. Yeah, I'm waiting for me always, where the railway meets the shore, just beyond a high tide line, alone and uncared for, is an old abandoned sailboat that once knew better days, a work of art in Bondwood from another time and place. And every day I wonder about that little timber boat, about the children and the lovers, the dreams it kept afloat. Do they all have happy endings? Do their lives turn out as planned? They forget about that sailboat that's now lying in the sand. Our lives are funny business. People come and go, only memories protect us from the ebb and flow. And I think about us and how it used to be before the winds of change came in and blew us out to sea. So let's say this weekend, if the weather is fine, we'll take that bottom sailboat out on the water one more time. We'll buy a piece of sailcloth that's big enough to catch the wind, and together we'll